Little Rock homeowners know that comfort and efficiency matter, especially with Arkansas's hot, humid summers and chilly winter nights. While many people focus on insulation, windows, or HVAC upgrades, your exterior doors play a major role in your home's overall energy performance. If your doors are older, warped, worn, or poorly sealed, they may be letting conditioned air escape and outdoor air seep inside. Upgrading to modern replacement doors is one of the simplest and most effective ways to improve your home's energy efficiency. Here's how new doors make a significant difference in Little Rock residences. Better insulation for more stable indoor temperatures. Older doors, especially older wood or aluminum models, often lack proper insulation. Over time, they can warp or develop gaps that allow outdoor temperatures to affect your indoor comfort. Modern replacement doors provide insulated foam cores that dramatically reduce heat transfer, stronger, more durable materials that stay stable through temperature changes, tighter fitting frames that prevent drafts in Little Rock's hot summers. This insulation keeps warm air out, helping your cooling system operate more efficiently. During cooler months, it keeps indoor heat from escaping. The result? A more stable, consistent indoor temperature year-round. Improved weather stripping and sealing. Even a high-quality door won't perform well if the sealing around it is worn or outdated. Many older doors have weather stripping that has deteriorated from years of humidity, sun exposure, and regular use. Replacement doors come equipped with advanced weather stripping designed for strong, long-lasting seals, reinforced thresholds that prevent air leaks, precise, professional installation to ensure no hidden gaps remain. This enhanced sealing prevents drafts, reduces temperature swings, and helps your HVAC system maintain comfort with less effort. Energy-efficient glass for doors with windows. If your door includes glass inserts, side lights, or full light panels, the type of glass matters. Older glass panes often let in heat during summer and allow warmth to escape during winter. Modern replacement doors use high-performance glass, such as double or triple pane insulated glass, low emissivity coatings to reflect heat, argon gas fills that add an extra layer of insulation, tempered or laminated glass that improves both efficiency and safety. This means homes get the natural light they love without the energy loss. Reduced HVAC strain and lower energy bills. When your doors are inefficient, your heating and cooling systems must work harder to compensate for the air that escapes or enters through gaps and poorly insulated surfaces. This added strain not only increases energy usage but also reduces the lifespan of your HVAC unit. With replacement doors, your HVAC system runs fewer cycles, energy consumption decreases, monthly utility bills are noticeably lower, your HVAC equipment experiences less long-term wear. These savings compound over time, making door replacement a genuinely cost-effective upgrade. Enhanced humidity control. Humidity is a major concern in Little Rock's climate. Poorly sealed doors let humid outdoor air seep inside, which not only affects indoor comfort but can also cause condensation, mold, and damage to interior finishes. Replacement doors with proper sealing help reduce indoor humidity levels, prevent moisture from entering around the frame, protect flooring, walls, and trim from moisture-related damage. Better humidity control contributes to a healthier, more comfortable living environment. Long-term durability that protects against weather damage. Energy-efficient doors are designed to withstand Little Rock weather, from heavy summer storms to prolonged heat exposure. This durability ensures that the door maintains its insulating properties for years. Benefits include resistance to warping, rotting, and swelling, stronger frames that won't shift or loosen, protective finishes that resist fading and cracking. These long-lasting materials protect both your home and your energy savings. Final thoughts. Replacing your exterior doors is one of the easiest ways to boost your home's energy efficiency, lower your utility bills, and enjoy a more comfortable living space. For Little Rock homeowners, modern replacement doors offer advanced insulation, superior sealing, and long-term durability that significantly outperform older models. Whether you're upgrading a worn-out entry door or replacing patio doors that no longer seal properly, you'll feel the benefits immediately and continue saving money for years to come.